Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, September 17, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 3 3/4 points to 2902.5 per contract. So the futures are coming under a little bit of pressure here this morning. You can see they were a bit lower around 3 o'clock in the morning. Then they had a pretty big spike, and now they've come back down into negative territory. So this will be an interesting trading day. We don't have a lot of earnings today, but we'll see what this market gives us. You do have a lot of China tariff talk going on. We'll see how that all plays out. The Shanghai was down last night, so that puts the Chinese ADRs in a little bit of a tough position this morning. You have JD down, you have Alibaba down, you have Baidu also lower. So again, keep all of these on the radar. Sina Corp also sinking lower this morning. So all of the leading Chinese ADRs are under pressure today, and we'll see how that plays out a little bit later. Let's take a look at some other stocks in the news right now. We're going to take a look at Teva Pharmaceuticals. Looks like they got an FDA approval for a drug. Stock is trading up around 24 1/4 right now. This closed at 22.85. So great little pop there for Teva Pharmaceuticals. Next up, we want to take a look at TMO. This was, I believe, downgraded by Goldman Sachs. This is Thermo Fisher. Stock closed at 241.98. We'll see what it does once the opening bell rings. Again, Goldman Sachs downgrading that name this morning. Looks like Visa is also in the news here. The stock is trading at 147.13. Closed at 147.84. It looks like that was removed from Goldman Sachs' conviction buy list. So that is under a little bit of pressure. At least it will be once the opening bell rings. Right now we're not getting a whole lot of pre-market activity. Let's take a look at Bed Bath & Beyond. BBBY is the ticker symbol here. Looks like that was upgraded at Raymond James. Stock is trading at $18.52. Closed at $18.07 yesterday. Let's take a look at Kraft Heinz. KHC is the ticker symbol here. Looks like this was resumed underweight at Morgan Stanley, and right now this is trading at $58.40, closed at $58.97. We have lots of upgrades and downgrades. Let's take a look at United Health. I think they were upgraded today. Stock is really not moving, but we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Coca-Cola is also in the news. Stock right now is trading at $46.20. It looks like they're in talks to make some cannabis drinks. So we'll see how that plays out. I know one stock, I believe it's ACBFF, is in the news. Looks like they're popping on the news. Aurora Cannabis getting a big pop because they're the company that is in talks with Coca-Cola. So we'll see what comes out of that. That is giving a big lift to all of the marijuana names. TLRY is up on that news. Also, CRON is on that news, and I believe CGC, which is Canopy Growth, that is up on that news as well. So all of the cannabis names are in play this morning, getting good pops on the back of some news that Coca-Cola is in talks to create a cannabis type drink or some cannabis beverages. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold today trading up $3.70. Gold is trading right now at $1,204.50 an ounce. Gold getting a bid here today. You see the GLD also trading at around 113.54. So gold with a little bit of an uptick there. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Again, the dollar is down today. That's probably the reason why you have gold higher. You could take a look at the U.S. dollar index today, down about 30 cents. So that's a good little haircut there. Next up, we have crude oil in play. That is up another 56 cents. Crude was up on Friday. That is trading at $69.57 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, that is trading at $14.63 this morning. So we'll see how this all shakes out. Looks like bond yields are up 2 basis points to 3.014%. So all in all, bond yields creeping a little bit higher this morning, getting back to that 3% level. So that could psychologically weigh on the market as well. Bond yields creeping higher on the 10-year U.S. Treasury note. All right, we're going to leave it here. Again, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great week last week, a great year altogether. It's been an absolute blockbuster year in the chat room. Come join us. You can trade right alongside of us. Again, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.